tires quickly thrown on there. And I'm going to go my Phong tag on this on the body of the car and drop the Phong angle to 22. That way it kind of smooths it out, or it stops smoothing it out. Select all this top, pull it down. There we go. Now we're cooking. Alrighty. Okay, we've got our wheels here in the cloner. I'm going to make the cloner editable, and now we've got 3 cylinders, all with all numbered 1 through 3 or 0 through 3. So we got 4 wheels, and let's start jumping into some of the dynamic bits here, some of the new stuff. Under the new menu of simulation, we're going to go to dynamics and create a connector object. I'm going to drop that connector into this cylinder here, and I'm going to copy it under this cylinder and this one and this one. And we want these all to be placed right in the center of each of these cylinders, and right now they are going to be centered right here. So that's not good. So what I'm going to do is grab all 4 of these connectors, and under character menu I'm going to go to commands and then go to reset PSR. Normally I would put this menu in this button in the dock because it's really useful. It just zeroes out all of the rotations and scales and positions of all of them. So all 4 are going to jump right where we want them to right away. Now I'm going to click on this first connector, and we're going to take a look at it. This connector is set to the type hinge. There's a whole bunch of different kinds. We're not going to touch on anything. We're just going to leave this on the default. But what do we want to do? We want to hinge the cylinder object from the body of the car. We should probably name these a little bit better. Let's put body there, and this are the back wheels. So we'll name that back, and back. Okay, maybe move that up as well. Okay, so that's the back wheel connected to the body. So we want to do that to all 3 of these. So this is going to be this back wheel connected to the body. This is going to be This connector is going to be this cylinder connected to the body, and lastly with this one, the exact same thing. Cylinder 3, connect that to the body. Alright, so now we've got some wheels, and those are now connected to the car. What do we need to do next? Well, we need to add a motor. We're going to add a new motor object, and that object is going to drive our wheels. So I create a new motor object. I'm going to drop it on the body of the car. And what do I want to drive? Well, I want to drive the wheel, and we're going to connect it to the car. And you're going to see we got this nice little rotation thing showing up right there. We want a second motor to drive the other wheel. Right now all we're driving is back 0. We need to also drive back 2. So I duplicated the object, and it's already